I love fabric jewelry a lot. That's why I make lots of tutorials on fabric jewelry. So today also we are going to make this beautiful and elegant fabric earrings which I have made in the combination of red fabric, L'Oreal beads and kundans. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is a base. So I have already cutted this rectangular base in this form, like I have already cutted it in diagonally. Then any colored fabric, I have taken maroon color, but you can literally choose any type. L'Oreal beads, charms, Fevibond glue. If you can take a fabric glue also if you want to, but Fevibond glue dries very quickly, so I usually prefer this one. Stars, rectangular kundans, then this is a diamond beads chain. I have taken bigger size diamond beads. Any cloth for back finishing, needle and thread, and scissors. So first of all, we will stick this fabric to this base. I'm just checking which one will be bigger, so I will take this one. So Fevibond glue is very much flexible as it comes out very quickly and you literally can't control that one, so be very fast while doing that. But the thing is it gets dries very fast, that's why I use this glue. So this is done almost. We'll cut this later. Now we'll wait for a few minutes to get this dry and then we'll start the further work. So guys, this has dried up properly, and what we will do is now we will add L'Oreal beads, then this charm and this diamond chain to this. So I have already cutted one diamond chain and then we will attach this one only. It's up to you how much you need length, so I wanted to have this much length, so you cut according to your preferences. So what we'll do is I'm taking this needle and thread, I will take this needle from this side only, that is from upper side, and I will make a knot over here. So I'm making a knot here. This part will go under this L'Oreal beads, so we'll add approx 10 L'Oreal beads. So after adding 10 L'Oreal beads, we will insert this needle from the fabric. So make sure that your fabric glue has dried properly, otherwise the fabric will get removed. I usually wait for half an hour once before the fabric gets dried, otherwise it won't, all the efforts will go wasted. Okay, so I have done, so one round is done. Similarly, I'll add one more here first. I'll make one knot here. And I'll quickly make one more jump of this bead, similar like this. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, I have attached this one, another round of L'Oreal beads. Now what we'll do is we'll attach this golden bead chain. So for the same, I'm taking it over here right below the second round, and I will make a knot here very carefully. So we have to make sure that there are lots of at least 2-3 knots to make sure that it will be fixed over there properly. Now okay, so this is done and we have attached it. Okay, now it will be now this. Now again I am adding this third round of L'Oreal beads, so I'll quickly do that. So now we have almost achieved a mid over here, so I'm going to add this. So we'll simply put it over here and then we'll make a lock with this. So I have added 3 locks of this thread or 3 loops so that this charm will get fitted properly. Now we'll repeat the same process, that is I am adding 3 beads. That is I will add L'Oreals here, and we'll also attach this one again. So let me quickly attach L'Oreals. If you carefully follow all the steps mentioned in the video, it will be very easy for you to make the earrings. See, I have added these beads and these charms in the same way I have added all these ones. Now what we will do is we'll add triangular kundans. So I'll keep these ones aside. So these are the triangular kundans which we are going to apply to upside. So again I'm taking this Fevibond glue and we will add it like this. So for the next I will add this angle to last side so that it will form a proper curve. This is done, and now we will do back finishing. So I'm taking this fabric, and we'll add a stud over here too. And the stud. What I'll do is I'll insert this stud in this fabric. So I'll cut for my convenience. I'll cut this fabric. I usually use those fabric which I won't be using for front design. So I won't be using this green colored fabric for any of my front design. So I'm using it over here. So I will just keep it, and once this gets dry, I'll cut this one, and then we are done. So guys, this fabric has already dried, and you can see our earring has turned out to be very beautiful. And this is our second earring. So yeah, it's finally done. Do try to make these gorgeous earrings at home. If you face any issue while making these earrings, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.